Hey you guys, I am back with another video, and today's topic we are talking all about 5 mistakes to avoid shower routine tips. If you want to smell good, avoid doing these 5 things and you will smell good all day, all day, all day, honey. So listen, if that is something that intrigues your little mind, make sure you stick around and keep on watching. So I am Latersa, and on this channel, we talk a lot about self-care, hygiene, and life advice, and just a little bit sprinkled out in between. But today I want to share with you the shower routine tips, mistakes to avoid when you want to smell good. So get your pen and paper ready, because your girl gonna go all in. So we're gonna jump right into it. So the first mistake you need to avoid is using one towel to wash your entire body. Yes, you need 2 towels. And when I say 2 towels, I mean 1 towel for your body, your body and your lady part. That's 1 towel. And then you need a whole separate towel for your behind. Y'all, you can't be using the same towel that you wipe your behind with and you wiping your girl down there with. Them 2 separate places, 2 entities that don't need to be mixed together. So use the towel that you wash your girlfriend down there and you wash your body, minus the behind. You need 2 separate towels, you guys. 2 separate towels. I know back in my day when I was growing up, I didn't know anything about doing 2 separate towels. In my household, we used that 1 towel. And in my house, my mom was like, look, you better use that 1 towel. And then when you get through with that 1 towel, you put that in the washing machine. You get another one tomorrow. We didn't know nothing about no 2 towels. But as I've gotten older, when you learn better, you do better. So use 2 separate towels, you guys, to keep from being musty. The second tip that you need to avoid, second thing you need to avoid shower routine to smell good all day is you need to avoid using body wash just to clean your body. Body wash alone is not going to get your body clean. You need to always have an antibacterial soap. Y'all know my holy grail. I'm going to put some pictures up here for you. Dial antibacterial. You just need something to get your base clean. I'm telling you, body wash is not meant to get you clean. It's a method to use to smell good after you've gotten your body clean. I remember when I was young, and I could tell off on myself because we all sunshines here. We all here to grow together. When I was younger, honey, I remember when I was in college, I was using Bath and Body Works down there, honey. I was using Bath and Body Works everywhere. And I kept wondering, why the heck am I still having yeast infection? What the heck is going on? And when I finally went to the doctor and, they ask you all the questions of what's going on. And she was like, oh, honey, no, you can't use that scented stuff down there. So my girl was always mad at me back in the day because she was just upset. She wasn't acting right. She was always irritated. Listen, body wash is not meant to clean your body. Body wash is a method to make you further smell good when you've gotten your base clean. That's it. It ain't to get a base clean. Especially like Bath and Body Works, all those scented kind of body wash. That's just the fun part in the end after you've gotten your base clean. Number 3, if y'all an OG, y'all comment below if y'all have ever heard me say this, but you got to take your 2 fingers and do the smell test. Yes, before you get your little happy little self out the shower, you gonna take your finger and go up under your arms and smell it. If it ain't smelling all that hot, you gonna get right back in there. You gonna take your 2 fingers again and you gonna go to your lady parts, open your little lips up, and you gonna smell. You need to get used to your body odor. You need to know when it smells normal and when something is off. It shouldn't be a fishy smell down there. We ain't gonna smell like no roses, peaches, and creams now. I'm gonna tell you that now. So if anybody on here thinking your girl down there supposed to be smelling like sweet stuff, and that ain't what she really made for. She ain't supposed to be smelling like sweetness, but she ain't supposed to be smelling like no sardines either. And then you take your fingers again after you done washed them, and you take them and you put them in your behind. You make sure your backside smells like, if y'all an OG, Irish Spring. If it ain't smelling like Irish Spring back there, you may need to go back in there and try that again. Get you some more soap and water, some Dial antibacterial, and go back there and wash again. For your lady down there, for your girl down there, get you some Dial, not Dial, Dove sensitive soap or your feminine wash, whichever one you prefer. And you go back in there and try that thing again, because you shouldn't get out the shower and still be musty. And then, too, don't ignore it either. If you get out the shower and you smell something still ain't right, don't ignore that and go and put some baby powder on and talc it and call it a day. Don't do that. Don't do that, because you still going to smell. That baby powder is not going to cover up the funk. It's really just going to draw more attention to it. So listen, do the smell test, you guys. This is your body. Don't be afraid of your own body. You won't know if something's really wrong if you're not used to what your natural scent smells like. You'll know your body when something's not right if you're doing the smell test. And the next shower routine mistake you need to avoid is, lost my train of thought that quick, using the same deodorant when you know it ain't working. If that deodorant keeping you musty, why is you still using it? I know you won't get your money's worth, but I promise you, I'd rather lose $3, $4, $5 than to be out in public and get embarrassed because I'm funky. That right there is a recipe for disaster. Y'all know how my story goes. I've been trying natural deodorant on top of natural deodorant, trying to find one that works. And it seems like I ain't found it yet. The one that works halfway right is Native. And Native, I still have to re-up and reapply on that because it don't keep me fresh all day. Now, if I'm just around the house and I'm not doing that much, it's okay. But if I'm trying to go out and about, it ain't working. So why would I keep using deodorant? Because, you know, over time, you can use a deodorant and it'll be working for you 4 or 5 years. And then you look up the 7th year, you finding that you starting to sweat more, or you getting musty. Sometimes deodorants get used to your body chemistry and it stops working. Y'all comment below if y'all ever experienced it. But I know over my lifetime, I remember I used to use Secret. Honey, Secret used to be telling off on me all the doggone time. But because I liked it because it smelled good. Well, it was smelling good, but it wasn't keeping your girl fresh. So I had to break up with it because I'm like, you ain't gonna treat me right, but I'm constantly treating you right. And you ain't treat me right. You telling all my business. No. So we finally let each other go. And I had to get me a new deodorant. But you don't keep using the same deodorant if you see it's not working. That's just causing embarrassment on yourself for no reason. So if you find a deodorant and it's not working or it stopped working, please find you another one. Please do that for yourself. It's okay to switch deodorants. It's okay to lose out on a couple of dollars than to be walking around musty and funky and your sit down air is stinking. It's okay. It's okay to switch it up, try something new. I know we get used to and we get comfortable with our same OG products and all that, but sometimes you won't have to switch them babies out, because if it ain't no longer working, y'all know I don't mind by throwing it in the trash. I'm gonna get my money's worth, but if it stopped treating me like I need to be treated, I'm gonna have to let it go. I'm gonna have to throw you away. So 5th thing on mistakes you should avoid in your shower routine is not bathing often. Some people take a shower at night and then they don't take one in the morning. I'm one of them people where I can't do that because my Secret will be out. My Secret will be down the street before I even get there. So I can't take a shower at night or a bath at night and get up in the morning and put my clothes on. That ain't gonna work. Because for one, being that I'm pre-menopause, I be sweating and stuff. Your girl can't do that. Because when I get up in the morning, sometimes I be like wringing wet. And I be like, what the hell is going? I be like, God, what is all this going? And you know me, if I get a little concerned, you know, I'm gonna call my mom. You know, I'm gonna call my mom. She's like, baby, you just going through premenopause. I said, I know that, but God dog, if the premenopause is this, I don't want the pause at all. I don't want menopause at all. But I can't take no shower at night and then get up the next morning and function. So take at least 2 showers, y'all. One in the morning and one at night. Now, if you're a little extra like I am, if I'm at home and I use the bathroom, I do number 2, I'm going to be one to get off the stool and get right in the shower. Because for me, I just feel I just need to start all over again. But at least 2 showers, you guys. And then my last and final shower routine mistake to avoid is Not washing your behind properly. Y'all know it goes back to the smell test. If y'all don't have a bottle of Irish Spring, the original scent, not that all that other stuff, Aqua and Febreze, not that kind of stuff. I'm an original girl. I like the original scent, Irish Spring. Sometimes you gotta let that little Irish Spring just sit back there and have a little relaxation. Cause you got to make sure that behind, honey, that little buttocks, that little butt back there, girl, that stench could be foul. And if you're not washing it and you trying to hurry up and get out the shower and you forget to wash back there, get your little self back in the shower. That's why I always say sometimes you got to get up a little hour early just so you can spend that quality time in the shower. Because half washing up back there and then trying to put on some deodorant and some perfume and mix that, no. You go in the bathroom and come out and somebody going behind you and they about passed out. No, we're not doing that in 2023. We're going to wash our behinds really good and we're going to take our time. And that is all I have for this video, y'all. Because y'all going to get sick of me talking about self-care and hygiene. But oh well, we're going to be doing good in 2023. Do y'all hear me? Your girl going to make sure that all my sunshines, y'all gonna be smelling fresh. It ain't gonna be no room for embarrassment, none of that kind of stuff. Cause we all here growing together. So we don't embarrass nobody on here. We don't shame nobody. We don't do none of that stuff. This is not that party over here for you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already following me. Make sure you turn on your bell notifications because I don't want y'all to miss another episode. And y'all listen. I'm starting to go live on YouTube, y'all, because y'all know y'all my OGs, y'all my babies, my sunshines, y'all was there from the very beginning when I had like 2 subscribers. So listen, I'm gonna go live, but y'all comment some topics y'all want me to talk about, and every week I'm gonna come on live and we gonna chat it up and we gonna have a good time. Can y'all say we almost at 3,000 subscribers? Well, I don't call y'all subscribers, I call y'all sunshines. 3,000 sunshines of y'all. What? But anyway, I will see you all on my next video. I love you guys. Mwah.